Where'd my Honda go? You broke my sign! My poor Honda! What did you do to my car? Now they finally broke their hood ornament. Oh, what a bunch of idiots! That's pretty flat. That's pretty flat. You broke the grill.
My knee went through the dash. Oh, you should have seen it. It got hooked on the car. We were like pulling it apart piece by piece.
You got branches on your roof. What's that, a patch from the floor?
I don't know, probably.
Oh. You guys need to get that your chain out and get that thing put away.
What sign? Put away.
I wonder what Butch can sell off this car. Man, they don't read signs.
I think this Honda's baked, man. Like that.
There's what happens when you don't read the signs and you're driving drunk. Still working. I don't know if he's got any much steering left. How's he running, boy?
Just wonderful. The tire's ready to explode, man.
What?
Let's go play some tag before we get to the yard. With this? No, I'm driving.
Oh, yeah. The window still works. You just gotta imagine the window's still there, I guess.
Shit.
Into your car again, Mike? Go! Oh, it still didn't come off!
I'm stuck there now.
Working. That's working. We lost something. Mike, Killer Mike. Good cat. Good one.